With more than 90% of construction complete, the 2.8-mile-long Bonner Bridge replacement project has spanned the Oregon Inlet. The bridge's supporting substructure having been completed, crews installed the project's final girders connecting the bridge from shore to shore. Crews working at the north end of the project steadily continued to make their way south, closing the distance with deck pours. In the navigation zone, the two halves of the bridge's tallest structure have been connected together with concrete and internally stressed and bound together with over 7.8 miles of high-strength steel cable. With the navigation zone connected and the southern incline of the bridge's decking having been poured and temporarily connected, crews and equipment can now access the navigation zone's structure from the bridge's southern entrance, enabling them to assist with the northern incline operations. At the bridge's southern access, crews have laid the initial stretch of pavement for the bridge's entrance and are working towards pouring the final slab that will connect the bridge's structure to NC-12. Those traveling the Bonner Bridge should expect daytime lane closures of NC-12 Monday through Friday. One lane will remain open during these lane closures. However, motorists should allow extra travel time. NCDOT urges motorists in these areas to stay alert, obey posted speed limits, and watch signs for construction information and lane closures. Mariners in the area of Oregon Inlet should also maintain caution and keep clear of buoys, anchor lines, and barges working on the water. Updates and notifications of any maritime delays can be found via the U.S. Coast Guard's local notice to mariners, broadcast notice to mariners, and marine safety information bulletins. Visit ncdot.gov/NC12 for more information regarding the Bonner Bridge replacement project, as well as updates on the area's traffic and travel information.